Hey guys, welcome to the coding stuff. My name is Aarti and today we are going to do a C++ program for a prime number. In that code, we have to print the number entered by a user whether it is prime number or not. For that coding purpose, firstly we have to know what are the prime numbers. The any number is called as a prime number if it has only two divisors. First one is the 1 and the second one is the number itself. Then that number is called as a prime number. For implementation of the prime number code, here is the logic. Now I am going to explain you step by step. Here I declared some variables I, num and div equals to 0. It initialized with 0. After that I ask user to enter a number. The number entered by a user is going to stored in a variable called num. Here after it we have to check the number entered by a user have how many divisors. If it has exactly two divisors, then that number is a prime, otherwise it is not a prime number. For that the logic is this. Now for the understanding, firstly we have to know how the for loop works. Firstly it initializes from the for loop is initialized from 1. The condition is I is less than or equal to 0 and it incremented by 1. Firstly, the I value equals to 0. Then it checks that 1 is less than or equal to that number. For the explanation, I am going to one example. Suppose we take 7 as our example. Now we check that 1 is less than or equal to 7 if here 1 is less than or equal to 7. So it goes inside and then check if that num mod 1 equal to 0 means 7 mod 1 equal to 0. Yes, after dividing 7 by 1, it gives remainder as a 0. So it goes inside and a value of div is incremented by 1. So div equals to 1. Here div equals to 1. After that, it goes to here and the value of I is incremented by 1. Now, I equals to 2. Then it checks whether 2 is less than or equal to 7. Yes, it is less than or equal to 7. Then it goes here and check 7 mod 2 equal to 0. No, it's not equal to 0. Then it directly goes here again. Then value of I equals to 3. Then it checks 3 is less than or equal to 7. Yes, then it goes here 7 mod 3 equal to 0. No, then it goes here uh, and so on. After the last condition is when the value of I is 7, suppose here, then it checks is 7 is less than or equal to 7. Yes, then it goes here. Then 7 mod 7 equal to 0. Yes, it 7 mod 7 equal to 0. After dividing 7 by 7, it gives remainder as a 0. So it goes inside and value of div is incremented by 1 again. So the now div value is 2. After that, it the value of I is again incremented by 1. Then value of I here is 8. Now it checks 8 is less than or equal to 7. No. Then it directly compiler goes out of for loop. Then here it checks if div equal to 2. Yes, it is equal to 2. Then print the 7 is a prime number. Okay, now I am going to run other program. Now here I entered 7. 7 is a prime number. Now we check it for a non-prime number. Suppose we entered 9. Yeah. 9 is not a prime number. It gives proper output. Here is the logic. Hope you all will understand the logic of a prime number code. For the more video, please subscribe the channel and hit a like button and press a bell icon. Thank you so much.